there is going to come a point when you are going to have to make a mitered corner. Now, I have got a whole video series on how to make binding and including how to make a mitered corner on your binding. However, let's start with the basics and let me know what one looks like, because if you don't know what you're aiming for, how are you ever going to make it? So let me switch cameras and show you. So here we are. So mitered corners can be used on pretty much anything that's square. It is a 45-degree angle at the corner of anything square. So this is a table mat. This is one I teach in my quilting course. So you can see here the binding comes round the edge here and it makes this very neat 45-degree angle at the corner. So if you think anything that is square or rectangular, like table mats, maybe tablecloths, tea towels, for example, bottom of curtains perhaps, quilts obviously, we've got napkins as well. So this is a napkin and you can see on here we've got a very neat 45-degree angle on the corner of the napkin. Of course, on quilts we're always going to be aiming for a very neat 45-degree corner on our quilts as well. So that is what you are aiming for with a mitered corner. So if you want to learn how to make them, I've got a whole video series on making binding and making a mitered corner. So check out the video that's just going to appear onto the, hopefully there, onto the right hand side of your screen, where I'll pop up the link to how to make a mitered corner for a quilt, and watch out for an upcoming video on how to make mitered corner napkins, because so many of my students have asked how to make those, because there's a slightly different technique to making those. So watch out for that. If you want to get that popping up, hit the subscribe button below and then hit the notification bell and that video will pop up for you when I have released it shortly. So hope that has helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.